Okay, so as you can see, the back is already painted on. And for this back, we're going to do black glitter as stated before. So let's go ahead and get started with using the Mod Podge. And this one is a glossy one. You don't have to use glossy. I wanted to use the glitter Mod Podge, but it hasn't come in the mail yet. So I've used this regular glossy Mod Podge before. So I'm just going to go ahead and use that for this project. So pretty much you just going on top of the black with this Mod Podge. Okay, so what we want to do is go ahead and take this glitter and put it on top. Whoa. And you're going to do this process about 3 times. But we're going to let that first layer dry a little bit of the shoe, which would be the just. We're going to go ahead and do that. I have like a little code. Okay, so while the other shoe is drying under the fan, I'm going to wait to do the back of these in glitter, and I'm just going to start on the swoosh, covering this in clear rhinestones. You can use any type of rhinestones you want. I'm going to be using clear rhinestones, and I'm going to be covering all 4 swooshes. I always use E6000 glue. Okay, so I'm done with the swooshes. You see how blinged out it is? Very cute. So I haven't done the back part of the young lady's name yet, but I am done with the just did it section on the other shoe. I want the swooshes to dry first before I proceed with the back of this shoe. So I'm gonna allow that to sit in front of the fan, and as you can see, oopsie daisy, okay, just did it is pretty much cleaned up pretty well. So what I want to do is put a seal on the back. So we're going to use, there's a number of things that you can use to seal the glitter. We will be using today some E6000 spray. So I'll be using the E6000 spray here, and I'll prefer to use that because I want the glitter to stay. Since I have letters and everything on the back, I want to make sure that the glitter stays sparkly and that it stays in place. So I'm going to let this dry for about 20 minutes under the fan, and then I'm going to actually do the swoosh. So I finally got done with the back of this shoe. Let's brush the excess glitter off and on the sides, and they came out great actually. I'm going to do a picture of both shoes together so you can see how they both look side by side, and I think she's gonna love it. So please leave comments below, any questions below, and I'll be glad to help and assist as much as I can. All right, thank you and have an awesome day.